The Mason Minute with Kevin Mason.
The other day, we stopped for a sandwich. I think it was at Jimmy John's, and I got tuna, if I remember correctly. But the one thing I distinctly remember, because it stayed with me for a couple of days, were the onions. I didn't realize they put raw onions on the sandwich, and I didn't mind, but my fingers smelled like onions. My breath smelled like onions. No matter how many times I brushed or flossed, I could still smell the onions. They were in my sinuses, and they weren't going anywhere. So I thought to myself, why do some onions stink and last and linger so much, while others don't? I love the taste of onion, but don't like what it does to me and don't like the effects of an onion anymore. Now, it's one thing when you cook the onions down, they're not quite as potent, they're not quite as pungent, and so they don't affect me in quite the same way. I used to get onion on my hamburger all the time, but now I have to abstain from it because it lingers, because it lasts. Maybe it's the kind of onion they're using, I just don't know. But while I love onions, the stink and the smell and the lingering effects are making me rethink the fact that I may have to just do without onions the rest of my life. I'm sure everybody else will be thankful too.